Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. And today we're diving into one of the smallest and most secure devices of your home, the Avia Smart Deadbolt Plus. Now, this isn't just your average smart lock. It's packed with features that keep your home secure while adding some serious convenience to your life. So let's see if it's worth the hype. So here it is, everyone. We're gonna do an installation here. Basically, we have this standoff right here, and it's pre-drilled for us. So basically, we're just gonna install the deadbolt on here. First up is to install this, and basically this will go in to the side, making sure that the top sign is above, like so. There it is. Put on a screw. There it is. That's how it should look like. The inside has a top above there and you should be good to go. And then the next stop is the deadbolt itself. Spin the spindle on the upward position like so. And then on the deadbolt side, there is this side right here, which we need to attach as well. It should look like this after. Making sure that that's attached in there. And then this guy is sticking out. And also the two is ready to go there with the vertical right there. As you notice as well, battery on the inside of the house, not the outside of the house, which is really useful during the winter time so that your battery won't freeze. So now when you're taking this plate right here, you're gonna attach this cable right there into this cable right here. And then you're gonna feed this through this hole right there. It should look like this. And basically we're just gonna put in the two screws right there. And that's how this is gonna be attached to the outside deadbolt part. There it is. It's pretty much done. Tighten it up. Should be good to go. And then last but not least is attaching this wire into here. There it is. And then we're just gonna latch this on right in here. And there it is. And then a couple of screws on the inside. And last but not least, of course, you need batteries for this. You need 4 AA batteries for this. Close it up, and you're good to go. Now, installation was surprisingly easy. Even if you're not super handy, Avia provides a step-by-step guide, and it took me about 15 minutes to get it installed. Plus, it's designed to fit most standard doors and no drilling required. Now, let's look at what makes this lock very smart. The Avia Smart Deadbolt Plus connects via Bluetooth and pairs with the Avia app. Through the app, you can lock and unlock your door remotely, share digital keys with family or guests, get notifications every time someone uses the lock. Oh, and it works with Apple Homekit. Now, this is compatible as well with Apple HomeKey. And to initiate it, you'll have to go into the Home app and just follow the instructions. Super easy to do. You can use your phone like so, unlocking it or locking it. It's super cool, right? And super quick. I love it. Of course, you're gonna ask me if you can use your Apple Watch. Of course you can. Boom. Super snappy too. So if you're into the Apple ecosystem like me, you'll love how it just works. Now, security-wise, the Avia Smart Deadbolt Plus has a few standout features. The first one is that it has encrypted communication, meaning that your data stays private. The second one is auto lock. Now you can set it to lock automatically, as you could see there, after a set time. I've set this into 15 seconds, and as you could see, it was able to lock by itself. Of course, we can test out the key here by just sticking the key into the deadbolt and then to unlock it. There you go. That's it. Test out the back as well, as you could see here. You flip it, there it is. Manually do it from the inside. Now here's where the Avia shines. Now whether you're letting in a friend while you're out, or maybe you're in a rush and you want to go to work and you forgot to lock up yourself, this smart deadbolt gives you peace of mind. And of course you can use the keypad to unlock the deadbolt. Of course, you can unlock it with a fob as well. Here's a quick setup for the Avia Smart Deadbolt Plus. Basically, you're just gonna download the app, create an account. You're gonna add the deadbolt there, and then it's gonna ask you if you need instructions on how to install it. You can go ahead and use the instructions. Right now, we already installed it, so we're just gonna add the accessory here by scanning the QR code that is provided in the box, and then it'll automatically connect to your Apple HomeKit. And that's it, super easy. So let's break it down. I love how easy to install it. It also has a user-friendly app. It's HomeKit compatible and has strong security features. So, is the Avia Smart Deadbolt Plus worth it? Now, if you're looking for a high-quality, featured-packed smart lock that's easy to use, I'd say absolutely. Let me know in the comments below if you'd consider upgrading your home with one of these. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the latest tech. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!